In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chat GPT on iPhone. First, you need to download the Chat GPT app. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar at the top, type OpenAI Chat GPT. Look for the official Chat GPT app published by OpenAI with the familiar logo and a clear publisher line. Once you are sure it is the official one, tap Get, then let it install. When the download circle finishes, the button will change to Open, which confirms the app is ready. Now, open the ChatGPT app you just installed. On the first screen, you will see options to log in or sign up. Tap the option that matches your situation. If you already have a ChatGPT account, sign in with that, so your previous chats can sync. If you are new, create a new account by following the prompts on screen. After you finish, you will land on the main ChatGPT chat screen with a large empty area and a message box at the bottom. Next up, start using ChatGPT for the first time. Tap the message box at the bottom of the screen. The keyboard appears so you can type your question. Write what you want to ask as if you were talking to a helpful coworker. Then tap Send on the right of the box. You will see your message appear in the chat and a typing indicator while ChatGPT prepares a response. Once the reply appears, read through it, then ask follow-up questions in the same conversation to refine or expand the answer. Keeping related questions in one chat helps ChatGPT remember the context. After that, try using your voice instead of typing. In the app, tap the voice option you see. Once you tap it, the screen will show a listening indicator so you know it is ready. Speak clearly and at a natural pace. When you stop talking, ChatGPT will process what you said and respond in the chat. This is especially helpful when you are on the go or want hands-free use. With that ready, you can also upload photos or files. Tap the plus button in the chat area to open the attachment picker. Choose a supported photo or file from your device. Once it appears in the chat, type or say what you want ChatGPT to do with it, such as analyze, summarize, or extract information. The reply will reference the image or file you attached, so you can see how it interpreted your content. From there, you can search the web when you need current information. When ChatGPT search is available, select the web search option in the app, or use the shortcut by typing /search. Then enter your question. The app will fetch recent information from the internet and include it in the answer, which helps with news, prices, or anything time-sensitive. At this point, you may want to view your previous chats. Open the sidebar using the menu button in the upper left corner. A list of your recent conversations will appear there. Scroll if needed, then tap any previous chat to open it and continue the discussion. You can also choose to use ChatGPT with or without an account, but signing in means these chats are saved to your history for later. You have now installed ChatGPT on your iPhone, signed in, and learned how to chat, talk, upload, search, and revisit your conversations. If this helped you get comfortable using ChatGPT on your iPhone, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.